Hi, this is Alan Ackles. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we're in Fort Smith, Arkansas, home to SPF America, a leading North American manufacturer of engineered copper busbar systems, supporting critical power and infrastructure applications. With nearly 50 years of manufacturing experience, SPF America specializes in high-current copper busbar fabrication and assembly, serving data center infrastructure, industrial power distribution, and energy-related markets. SPF operates as a contract manufacturing partner, delivering precision-engineered copper components and integrated busbar systems where consistency, traceability, and speed matter. Customers rely on SPF for scalable capacity and dependable execution as programs grow. Inside the facility, advanced CNC equipment, automation, and digitally connected production systems enable tight tolerances and repeatable results. These capabilities are supported by a cloud-based ERP platform that integrates quoting, production, and quality data across operations. Quality is built into every stage of the process. SPF's ISO 9001:2015 certified quality system includes mechanical, chemical, digital, and visual inspections to ensure products meet specifications before shipment. Continuous improvement is a core operating discipline at SPF America. Lean manufacturing practices are embedded throughout the organization, empowering teams to identify opportunities, improve flow, reduce variation, and eliminate waste. These efforts drive safer operations, more predictable lead times, and consistent execution, allowing SPF to scale production while maintaining quality and delivery performance. From engineered copper components to fully assembled busbar systems, SPF America is focused on being a long-term manufacturing partner, supporting the world's growing demand for reliable power infrastructure. To learn more, visit spfamerica.com. This is Alan Ackles for Manufacturing Marvels.